Right guys, I'm outside Kebabish today in my hometown of Leicester doing a food review for Kebabish. So without wasting any time, let's go inside and see what it's all about. It's Aslam here from Lethal Food Reviews, and yes, let's check this out. As you can see, it's Saturday night. It's really busy today. So it's gonna be some time before we get the food. But really looking forward to it. My mate Nish is trying to dodge me. He doesn't want to be recorded in the screen. But yeah, let's as you can see, it's got an open kitchen. Everything's cooked fresh in front of you. Right, so here we are, we've sat down now, ordered our food. We've got the mixed grill, also the zero chicken with 2 naans. So let's see what it's all about and give you an honest review. So here's the salad. And they've got the cutlery and the plates for us. So just waiting for the food now. And once it's here, as I said, we'll give you an honest review. Excuse me. Right, okay, here's the sizzler, this is the starter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my favourite, which is a lamb chop. Sprinkle a little bit of lemon on that, and see how it is. There we go. Right, Bismillah. This lamb chop is really nice. As you can see, been charred really well. It's got the right amount of spices. Texture is really good on there, and do you know what? It's honestly really good. You know what? I might as well just do it to my hands. This I give a lethal. Honestly, really nice. Right, try the kebab next. Let's take a piece out of the kebab. Try the kebab. As you can see, inside really nice. The right amount of spices, right amount of ingredients, exactly what it needs, exactly what I'm looking for. Yeah, let's give it a go. Do you know what? Amazing. Not too spicy, not too on the bland side. Perfect, just perfect. Now it's a chicken Tik Tok, as you can see. I think it's marinated really nice, and the chicken inside cooked to perfection, I'd say. Really nice. See how it tastes. Wow, that's like butter, melts in your mouth. Wow, oh wow. You know what? Honestly guys, I'll give this a lethal again. Wow, amazing. Now we're gonna go for the chicken wings. As you can see, done really well. Love the charring on it. Right amount of spices again, I think. It looks perfect to me. Let's try it and see what it's all about. Honestly, people, this is amazing. What we got left? There's a lamb tikka. As you can see, the lamb tikka. Right, okay, as you can see the lamb tikka, charred perfect, looks really nice. Let's see how it tastes. The meat's done actually to perfection. Let's see how it tastes. Wow, really soft, really tender, really nice. Perfect. Right, so this is the chili prawns. As you can see, look really tasty. I actually really like my seafood, but it's got to be cooked to perfection. It's got to have that right element of taste. So there we go. This is the prawns. There we go. Seems it's cooked really nice. There we go. These prawns are actually amazing. They are banging. They are so nice. Honestly. Oh wow. These definitely get a lethal. Wow, these prawns are just next level. Amazing. Amazing. Awesome.